Okay guys, so what I have with me here today is the White Mountain Epsom salt. It contains magnesium sulfate and saline laxative, and it says for external use as a soaking solution or for relief of pain from minor sprains and bruises. And this is just the 1 pound carton of Epsom salt, and this is just what it looks like here. So over on this side it has some drug facts and like the active ingredients, tells you its uses and warnings, and tells you just like a little bit about the product, the directions and stuff, some other information on the back. Just gives you a little bit more information about the use of the product. And on this side it tells you that when you can use the product and how to use it and for what to use it for during certain seasons. And honestly, that's super great because a lot of people think there's like 2 uses for Epsom salt and then that's it, but it does tell you a lot of the uses that are on the side. I know there are a lot of remedies and things that you can use Epsom salt for, like you can look them up and stuff like that, but some ones that I just know that you can use it for from like experience or like a little bit of research or like from like what friends have told me. I know that you can use it to like make your grass greener. You just like sprinkle it in the water of your grass, like when you're watering it and stuff like that. Or you just like sprinkle it on the ground, and then when it rains and stuff like that, your grass can help your grass become greener. What my mom used to use it all the time for us when we were younger is like a splint remover, and like you would just soak your finger in water and then it helps take out the splint, like the splinter. And then another thing that you can use it for is like a cleaning solution. Like you can use it for like your tiles, like you mix it in with some water, and I don't think you use anything else, but you can use it to like clean your floors and like your tile and stuff like that. I also know you can use it for like to clean your face, like a face exfoliator, and it really like helps with your pores and things like that. And then I also have like some experience with like using it for like a bath soak, and what you just do is you just put some in your bath water and you just let it soak in there for a little bit, and like you just soak in there for a little bit, and like it says on here, it says like for pain from minor sprains and bruises and stuff like that. That's what it's mostly used for by most people. Like they just put it in their bath and stuff and kind of soak in there, and it helps with the pain of like muscles and joints and stuff like that. So that's what a lot of people use it for. It can also be used for like fertilizers, mostly for like tomato plants and like roses and like house plants and stuff like that. It's really good to like put in there. You can also use it to get like less oily hair, and I think that's super cool because a lot of people are always looking for like alternatives to have less oily hair because so many people's hair is oily nowadays. One thing that my mom also liked using it for is removing like burnt food from like pots and pans and stuff like that. So you just let it soak in there, and then it makes it so much easier to remove the burnt food from the pan. And then you can also use it to like alleviate some constipation that you might have. So you would just put it in some water, and then you only drink it once a day though. Do not drink it more than once a day or you will have a problem. It also says on the side to like consult your doctor and stuff like that, just to make sure like you're doing everything correctly if you decide to do this and don't really know what you're doing. So I would just say yeah, follow up with your doctor. But again, this is just the 1 pound carton of Epsom salt. It's actually a pretty small size. I know they have a 2-pound one, and it's about twice this size. And it's just really, I just like the size of it because it's not like too big, but so much Epsom salt comes in these like containers and stuff like that. So I've used it so many times, and it's still like it's still so full. Like I'm so in shock. And Epsom salt, from what I have known, like growing up and stuff like that, Epsom salt has never been expensive. Like those are one of the things that you can buy literally at the dollar store. So I really like that. I just have it because my cousin bought me this for going away to college, knowing that I needed a lot of like stuff to help me with my health and the whole 9 yards. So I've had this for almost 3 years now. Like I said, again, I would consult a doctor, but as far as I know, it does not have any effect on your skin. It is good for most people to just use, just like that. Like you shouldn't have any problems with it. But again, consult your doctor if you're if your skin is more sensitive. I do think the Epsom salt only comes in like one. Like I don't think they come in like scents and flavors and stuff, but I could be wrong. But as far as I know, they don't. But like the smell is the way like a salty type health thing would smell. But it's a good thing, and I really like it. You can use it for so many things. I just don't like the little carton thing there that like you can't really reclose it. But again, this is just the White Mountain Epsom salt.